Time to get up, loser. We're going to the beach. No. It is 5:45.
Let's go to the beach.
Nicki Minaj. Come on, you need a shower.
I don't want a shower.
Jojo Louise, get up.
You know, use my name.
Yeah. Come fight me. I already went and had my shower. Come on, you need to get up. What?
Oh, no.
You can take a nap in the car. You need a shower and put your makeup on.
They're big tasks.
Come on, you can do it, big boys.
Is it?
Big task for big boy. Oh, look, she has risen. No, don't get back in. Good morning, world. Today it is Monday. It is like 10 to 6 in the morning. I've just like got up and showered, my tan off, and I'm about to do my makeup. I just went and woke up Georgia as well because she was still in bed and she has things to do because we need to leave. Our plan is to leave at 6:30. Not really for any reason in particular, just other than to hopefully beat the traffic, but we'll see because everyone's on school holidays, so we will see. But I'm gonna quickly do my makeup. Probably won't film it because there are gonna be way more interesting things happening today than me sitting here doing my makeup. So I'll show you when it's done and hopefully I look a bit better than this. It is so sunny right now. I just finished my makeup, very simple. Just the basics, really. This is my outfit. It's just this little white dress that I absolutely adore from Princess Polly. And it has like, I guess it's a low back. I don't know. It's like a lot lower than the front, which I think is really pretty. So I'll probably go pack the last couple of things in the car and then we're probably gonna leave in the next 5 to 10 minutes. This is the car with just my stuff. Like, maybe the boot doesn't look so bad, but like, why am I like this? I don't know. Hey big boys, guess who are on their way to the coasty coast? Us. Look how tanned we look.
I know.
Wow. I love that for us. I just wanted to update you guys saying we're pretty much on our way. We're just looking up the address right now so we can go there. And then we'll be on our way, big boys. Look out for a drive with me on Giorgio's channel if you want to catch up with what's going on the road trip, because I don't think I'll be filming much, but obviously we'll film more when we are doing other things, but I'm so excited. First pit stop of the road trip. Are you excited?
Yes.
Are you gonna get hotcakes?
Yes. Are you?
I think I might get a hash brown or something. Okay. You know what? Sometimes you just need to get fries for breakfast. What are you doing?
A bacon and an egg or sausage and egg McMuffin.
Big boys. We just made it to the beach area. Not necessarily the actual beach, but like we're in the beach area. We're gonna have a look at like a little market and some cafes and stuff and have a little walk around. We're also meeting our friend Alex here in a little while. We're definitely here early, but that's fine because we wanted to get here early and we just want to have a like walk around, get some photos, do our thing and just chill for a while, so we didn't have to like rush. But I'm so excited. It is so beautiful here. Like, we've only just driven through the main street, I guess, but it is just so beautiful and I love it so much. I wish I could live here already.
Honestly.
So we're gonna just like have a little geeze around, have a little geezeroo, see what's crack-a-lackin' in this hoodaroo.
Yes.
Alright, we'll update you guys if we see something cool. We found this little viney wall right next to Ray White and we're gonna take some photos. Let's go to the beach, each Nicki Minaj. I'm already on my second outfit of the day.
Oh no.
And it is 9:30 in the morning. Nah, but we're just gonna hang out at the beach for a little while we wait to hang out with Alex. It looks so pretty here. Like, everywhere here is just so beautiful. I can't get over it. It's stunning. Oh my goodness. She's stunning. Okay, we're back. Oh, it's really... We are back. We went to the beach for a bit and we edited there. But we're back at Nude Sisters Whole Food Kitchen, and that's where we're gonna have breakfast with Alex. I also realized I never explained who Alex was. She is also another Aussie YouTuber. She lives on the Gold Coast, and I've been watching her for years and years and years. You probably have too now.
Yeah, I got a couple of years.
Yeah, and so we thought, hey, we're at the coast, why not see if she can catch up before she moves to America next year? And so we've organized to meet up, so we're just gonna wait for her to arrive. I'm gonna have some like brunch with her, I guess. I'm so excited. You can't really see very well because I'm literally sitting in the car and it's just like glary central, but this is the cafe we're going to. It's so incredibly cute. We're at breakfast with Alex. You're on the vlog now. This little cafe is so cute and the food looks absolutely incredible and it's on pink plates, so it's a win-win situation. Alex, what did you get?
I got vegan chocolate chip pancakes.
It looks incredible.
It smells so good.
And then we got the classic acai bowl because we're obsessed. Excited. And Georgia got her coffee. She's happy now. Alex, my order, is so lovely. I can't get over it.
Gem.
What an absolute angel. I feel like she's like better in person than she is online. And she's great online.
Yeah.
I'm just like putting that out there.
She's great online, even better in person.
She's so lovely.
Oh my gosh.
I just
can't handle it.
My heart is
a little bit nervous at the start.
Yeah, I was very nervous.
But it went so well.
Alex, we know you're watching. Thank you so much for coming to meet us.
Yeah, wow. That was so
You
great.
are just an absolute
ray of sunshine.
I was like, how do I word this that it actually portrays who you are?
She's just so like kind and gentle and lovely.
I really appreciate people like her.
Yeah.
So genuine as well.
Yeah.
Okay, we both need to pee. Let's go.
Yeah.
We're on a scale of 1 to 10. How much do you need to pee?
11.
She's actually gonna cry, I swear. Doing those little like quick shuffles. When you're trying to like be casual, but you gotta run. So we're just driving through this suburb that we're staying in. Is this a suburb? T-A-L-L-A-I?
Yeah.
And these houses that we're driving past are absolutely insane. We started just driving up into the hills and we're not like staying in one of these houses, but like it looks like a Beverly Hills house or something. Like, it's crazy.
Who lives in them? Who are you? What do you do?
Yeah.
How did you earn that money?
Some of these houses look like an estate, like as big as the estate that we live in. They have like 10 cars up there. They have a roundabout in their house with a fountain.
Yard. With a mini in it and a Jeep. Oh, they have like a tennis court with like futsal goals.
And they have a pool and... Like, look at this house in the hills. That's a house, I think, anyway. It's very large. What are you doing with your life to be able to do that? How do you... This guy's driveway is an actual street. He must have to hire like 10 gardeners to look after that because what the heck? I'm gonna take a photo at this person's house because it looks like Beverly Hills. Thank you, kind-hearted person, for letting us take photos on your property, even though you don't know right now. Appreciate it. Okay, so we're driving to our Airbnb and our Airbnb host sent us a message. So basically we're staying in like a granny flat off of her house. So like she and her family live there and then we are just like living off the small part of her house, if that makes sense. Oh. But she just basically messaged us to give us all the details about how to get into the house and stuff, like the key and the access code and whatever else. But can you please read what you started to read to me?
P.S. Please be aware of my chickens. They are very friendly, sometimes too friendly around cars, lol. Anna is the black, very vocal one. She is hilarious. Hope you don't mind her chatting around the house. I do also have a special request. There are baby plovers that are hanging around the driveway. Please be careful of them. We love them.
Just introducing us
my goodness.
to her birds.
Can't wait to meet Anna.
Why did she only introduce us to one of them?
21.
Wait.
Yeah.
Was it supposed to be the next? No, that's right.
Right, I think it's this one. This is what the photos look like.
Okay, we are through the security gate.
So that's the right house. That's ideal.
Okay, can you continue to read the instructions?
Park in the parking area beside the trailer, which is opposite the carport.
Oh, there's another carport. Guys, we just got into the Airbnb and it's so cute. I'll show you guys a little tour. So you walk in, there are plants everywhere and I love it. They have a little fiddle leaf here and then here's a little lounge room. These chairs are the cutest. I love those. TV, bird of paradise, cute little mirror, everything is super cute. Then over here we have the dining table. So it's just a little 4-seater, perfect for our editing dates. And then we have a little kitchen. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Some Smeg appliances. Oh my gosh. Can pop my sriracha in here. And then in here is the bedroom. So we have a little desk over here, dresser, bed, plants everywhere, a huge wardrobe, might I say. Very excited about it. And then we also just have a little bathroom here. Hey! I'm so excited. Oh, that's a decent sized shower. And a little plant up here. I love that. Oh, that's so cute. It is now 4:26. We've just been hanging out in the room, just chilling. But yeah, we just took a few more photos. And now we're going to head off to like Coles or Woolies, and we're going to pick up a few things. We're going to get some stuff just to eat now because we are hungry. And also just a few things to have, or quite a few things to have for our mukbang tonight, which I'm very excited about. So that's the plan for tonight. Got our shopping bags. We're going to go find some food. Very hungry, very excited to eat. This just looks like a 10 out of 10 health kick if you ask me. I love it. I love it. Plus some flowers, because why not? Look at that. $1.50? You're kidding me. Look, guys, if you want 2 separate vlogs, it's just not going to happen this time. We have a grocery haul for you guys, and we're going to show you what we picked up. It's by far the most unhealthy thing we've probably ever showed.
Rachel's joining the gym on Thursday.
Yeah, so this is my last 3 days of like whatever the heck I want, you know? Firstly, we've got some flowers. These are just mostly for the like props for videos and photos tomorrow. So these ones are really cheap, but I just really wanted some like baby's breath kind of looking ones, so we got these ones as well. Then we have some watermelon, Oreos, cheezels, some cheesecake, some chocolate supreme and sliced knockoffs.
Got some mac and cheese balls.
I'm very excited about those.
So excited.
Some frozen beer battered chips.
Some ham and pineapple pizza slices.
Yes! Some Halo Top ice cream.
Some Marvelous Creations chocolate.
And the last item is some Patty's Party Pack. Love that for us. We're gonna pop this in the oven, sit down and film a mukbang, basically. Just letting you know, guys, don't be concerned. I brought my sriracha with me because I didn't want to be without it for a whole 3 days. So here it is with me, safe and sound. Don't want you guys to be concerned. It's here. Guys, time to get the snackaroos ready-o.
Oh yeah.
Snackaroo,
oh
boys.
yeah.
Okay, we need to be strategic about
Can't
it.
find trays.
Definitely all of the mac and cheese balls. All of those.
I don't know where the trays are.
So confused. Can you put plates in there? Some plates will crack if they're subjected to thermal stress, so you should remember to preheat the oven and try not to have very cold food on a hot plate. Should we just go buy some alfoil? Okay, big boys, we're back in business.
Yeah, Georgia fixed the situation. We're all good.
Georgia did fix the situation. Our lovely host Matt just brought us an oven safe dish, and I'm so happy. I really appreciate it, Nat. Thank you, living legend. Let's get our pizza in the freaking oven, big boys.
I'm sure.
Should we just cook that one first with those and then or this one first and then reheat that one? Because that can just be like reheated, I reckon.
Yeah, I have no idea what you said. I'm so hungry.
Mac and cheese balls, big balls. Problem solvers, I say. Problem solvers. We just filmed a video for my channel, a mukbang. Stay tuned. I'm assuming it'll be up after this video, or like maybe not directly after, but just like in the future sometime. And now we're just getting ready to film a get ready with me on Giorgio's channel, and we're just gonna take some photos on our disposable cameras that we got, and maybe some Polaroids in our egg shirts. So we just filmed for George's channel, and we filmed to get ready with me, and I just took off my makeup. But we're currently FaceTiming Izzy and Skye because it's been probably at least 12 hours without them, and we just can't function. So 3 days. 3 days off.
Yeah.
Crazy.
Oh, she got the vlog camera out.
You can see us?
Yeah.
We can't see you.
We're not be in it. Nope. Quite absolutely enough.
We're in bed. We just FaceTimed our housemates, Izzy and Skye, because I honestly didn't realize how much I'd miss them, but we miss them a lot, so we FaceTimed them for a bit. And we also FaceTimed Amy, and it was really nice to talk to her because she's just been studying a lot. Yeah, we miss her so much. She's working so hard though. She's hustling hard, and I'm very, very proud of her. We both are. But we are gonna go to bed now, and I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. If you did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll probably see you guys tomorrow for a whole lot of shooting, Instagram photos, videos, cute cafes, all of the above. Very excited. Good night.